Guys, Gunpix here. Today I'll be showing you how to make my Lego M&M / Skittle vending machine. So you're going to need a ton of Legos, like all the ones I've got. Those are all the ones I used in the video. This is how like the inside works. So usually there would be like a big thing right there, and then it would be funneling all the M&Ms and stuff into there, and then this piece would come underneath it and block it. Well, this piece lets them slide in and underneath here. So yeah, you can just like put as many as you want right there. That's about one serving, and then it would come over there, then pour out. Hope you liked the video. Bye.